Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? Want to boost your speaking skills quickly? Then welcome to our new video designed to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. Watch this video till the end to improve your English fast. We will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Phew, that workout was intense.
I know. I'm completely wiped out. I can't even feel my arms.
Same here. We really pushed it today.
Yeah, but I'm proud of us. We didn't give up.
Absolutely. Now I just want something cold to drink. How about a smoothie?
That sounds perfect.
Let's go to the smoothie shop. I want a mango one. What about you?
I'll get a strawberry. I need something sweet and cold. After that, I'm heading straight home to rest.
Me too. I'm done for the day.
Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily. Workout. A workout is physical exercise that helps make your body stronger and healthier. Example, I do a workout every morning before breakfast. Wiped out. When you're wiped out, it means you're extremely tired and have no energy left. Example, after cleaning the whole house, I was completely wiped out. Hit the spot. This phrase means something feels especially satisfying, especially when you're tired, hungry, or thirsty. Example, that cold lemonade really hit the spot on a hot day. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently.
Did Tom say the workout was easy?
No, he said it was hard.
Did Lily feel tired after the workout?
Yes, she said she was wiped out.
Did they do a light workout?
No, they pushed themselves hard.
What did Lily say about the smoothie?
She said it would hit the spot.
Did Lily want a banana smoothie?
No, she wanted a mango one.
Did they go home after the smoothie?
Yes, they both wanted to rest. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Phew, that workout was intense.
I know. I'm completely wiped out. I can't even feel my arms.
Same here, we really pushed it today.
Yeah, but I'm proud of us. We didn't give up.
Absolutely. Now I just want something cold to drink. How about a smoothie?
That sounds perfect.
Let's go to the smoothie shop. I want a mango one. What about you?
I'll get a strawberry. I need something sweet and cold. After that, I'm heading straight home to rest.
Me too. I'm done for the day.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!